Hello there, coders. Today, let's explore one of the, to me, most interesting and fun way to implement sorting algorithm, which is quicksort. We will explore this algorithm with a fun sorting game. Check out what the quicksort is. Let's say we have a couple of numbers 3, 1, 7, 5, 9, 4, and 8. Generally, it will be at the end of the array. So let's say 8 is our pivot. 8 is our pivot. So then we need a counter. Of course, let's say I. We will increment this to track our numbers in for loop. In that case, we will take our pivot here and say if I is less than 8. If so, we will push it. We will push I to the left array. But if not, we will push it to the right one. So we have two arrays for each loop, but it will not be sorted totally. In that case, we have to do some recursive here until each of these arrays length will be 1. So that will be our base case. We will see how to implement this for a second, then I will keep explaining its logic. Let's see here first of all. By the way, just installed NeoVim. It's crazy awesome. Yeah. So let's check out here quick sort. We have a base case. We say if our array.length equals or minus equals or less than 1, we should return this array. Also we have these conditions here. Also we have this equalities here. We set our pivot is equal to last element. As you can see, we have two arrays and we have a for loop. In that case, we decide our left or right array. We decide to put the right value which array. Then what we are doing here is we put the left one pivots left, right one it's right. This is a spread operator used here to inject each array to the result array. So let me keep explaining here. So we pick 3. 3 is less than 8. We push to the left. 1 is less than 8. Also pushed here. 7, 5, 9 this time. push it to the right. 4 is here to the left. So our pivot is not belongs none of them. It belongs to the middle every time. Every time it belongs to the middle, we have a left, we have a right position. So which one of the uh, which one of them reach to base case? Remember its condition. Yeah, it's length 1 or less. So right has already reached its base case. So what we are doing is spread this array and inject here. So we already decided this position. Now we have to handle left array. What we are doing is, this is awesome recursion thing we are doing here, sorting this out and put the result one here, and that, as you guessed, it will be sorted like this: 1 3 4 5 8 7 and 8 and 9. So you see it's pivot here, it is the right one, this one's left ones. So that's it. That's it, and let's see in an action here. In React app, it's a simple game. It's a drag and drop library installed. Let's check first. It's not sorted. Let's try to sort correctly. Three goes here, 2 goes here, and 1 goes here. Boom, ta-da! There we go. We sorted array correctly. Of course, you can give it a try and maybe adjust it better. Let's see code once again. We have use state used, 3 use state used here. Also, I said earlier, we use drag and drop library. And yeah, that's it, guys. Be sure to check out this repository. Also, I will push it to the repo so you can try it out and see the algorithm better. By yourself. So that's it. Quick sort in a fun game. Be sure to check out and have fun. Peace out. See you next time.